Hi! In front of me is Nokia G60, and today I would like to show you how you can operate adaptive brightness option on this Nokia device. Firstly, just open settings and scroll down just a bit. Now tap on display section. In it, click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness. And as you can see, after that, auto brightness is off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same, now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!